muling magulang mang sa'kin itong sandali. Alam ko na tayo'y magkikita muli hanggat may umaga pa na ikaw lang ang mamahalin.
Thank you very much sa'yo, Bernard. Pakinggan natin ang masasabi ni Coach Lea.
Nagustuhan ko talaga sa boses mo nung sa umpisa pa lang na doon lumabas yung kulay, doon lumabas yung puso, yung kahulugan ng kinakanta mo. So kahit hindi ka bumirit buong kantang yon, nakuha mo na ako.
Maraming salamat, Coach Lea. Siyempre, iyong coach, Coach Bamboo.
I think you did your dad proud, huh? So,
I would say he did.
good job. Maraming salamat. Good luck to me again. All right.
Maraming salamat sa'yo, Bernard. Thank you very much.